All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go on a website and we're going to create an API where we can send an image into that API and it would respond with the text that's inside that image. So to do this, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go to a website called Red Hat OpenShift and click this link. And pretty much it's a Kubernetes platform where you can set up containers and make requests to those containers. But the first thing you do when you're on this website is go to free trial. And then once you're here, go on to this 10-minute beginner, getting started with OpenShift, and click start. And then start scenario. It's going to prepare the environment for you. We're just going to wait for that. All right, and then you're going to want to click console. Now, once you're sent to this console page, you're going to want to switch this tab. So make sure you log in and create your account. It's normally going to be an account name called developer. And to do this, just go to Red Hat OpenShift here, and then log in. Oh, okay. All right. And then you'll have to create a new account. And then from there, you can use your developer account and your password. And then you're going to want to log in. And then you're going to want to create a new project. And we're going to call this project test. And then we'll call it test as this display name, and description is not required. So we'll just create it like that. All right, cool. Now, what we're going to want to do is going to the developer tab, and then once we're here and once it loads up, so it's just taking a while. All right, so once it loads up, we're going to want to go to container image, click container image. And then here you can enter the name of a container and you can get that external registry. So let's type in this, make sure it's exactly this title, and then click off this text field and it's going to validate this package. And as you can see, it's validated and it's going to fill out this general information. So application name was filled out with all these titles, and from there all you have to do is press create. And then once you press create, you're going to be redirected to the main page and you're going to see this cool looking circle, and what this represents is your HTTP API. Now you can click it, and as it creates the container, you can just look around, understand what this is doing. As you can see how many requests there are, the name, the namespace, just cool stuff like that. And something else you should look at is that there's hundreds of different APIs similar to this one on this platform, and you can find all of these and you can use the same methodology that we use in this app to just get data from the other APIs. So it's just something cool to know. But as this creates, we're just gonna wait. I'll pause the lecture and I'll see you guys once this is done. All right, beautiful. So my container is done initializing. So now I can press this blue title and I'm gonna get this cool side menu. Now I can press on these routes and it's going to bring me to the route page. And as you can see, we have some HTTP functions here. Now we can either get or we can post. So the one we will be using is the post method, since we're going to be sending an image and we're going to want to return a JSON with a string of that image, which represents that image. So this is going to be the API that we will be using. So in order to use it, let's go back here. And all right, so everything seems to be working. All right, so this is going to be our HTTP URL. And we're going to replace this swagger.json with model/predict. And that's what we're going to send our image to. So let's start doing that. Well, that's what we're going to do in the next lecture. So I'll see you guys there, and let's start using this API.